Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Corina's Mini Storytime Books. Today's story is called Dishwasher's Big Job. It is by Weinberg. This is Dishwasher and this is Dishwasher's Big Job, washing dishes. Your sloppy spoons, your bedraggled bowl, your spilled sippy cup. Let's watch dishwasher work. First, open up. Next, load the dishes, add some soap, shake, shake, shake. Now close the door and push the button. It's time for dishwasher's big job. Beep. Let's peek inside. Your sippy cup gets a shower. Ooh. Your bowl gets a bubble bath. Quack. Your spoon gets a sauna. Ah. Then watch dishwasher. Rumble, rumble. Whoosh, whoosh. Swoosh. Steamy, that's hot. And ding. Great job, dishwasher. The dishes are clean. Now let's check out all this hard work. Before, your spilled sippy cup, your bedraggled bowl, your sloppy spoon. After, your clean sippy cup, your clean bowl, your clean spoon. Everything's washed just in time for dinner. It looks like you have a big job too. The end.